Level 4 Uptown Swing.
What up?
Social dance moves for the floor of
You guys, my daughter came up to me today and she was like, hey, is that Jimmy Jam and Terry Lewis? And I was like, yes it is, girl. Indoctrination complete.
For reference, she's 7.
We're nailing it.
Okay.
Okay, so anyways.
My daughter too.
Not in this case. Okay, so when we're doing this, we did a couple sneaky moves. Boop, ba, ba, ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, rock. Sneaky sneak right there. Just a little 4 count. 1, whoop, ba, ba. Then we changed that by adding a little something onto it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hey.
Just that much. And then we did a little move that I learned from Sylvia Sykes. I'm gonna do it not as well as her. It's called the liquid. You think this way? Boop. Boop. Ba, ba, boom, boom, ba. And that was it. Shoopity doo.